It's Thursday morning. The time is 7:53. That's me. I'm gonna drive from Midway here in Midway to St. Paul, and right now it's 38 degrees. It's Thursday cold morning, and it's October the 17th. To support this channel, click the button below and subscribe. So hopefully you do that, and I hope you have a good day or evening or night or afternoon, whatever the time you're watching right now. Peace, people. Subscribe. Listening to KMOJ. It's a good station. So this will be about 8-9 minutes drive, depending on traffic. Gonna be going on the highway Interstate 94 East. The street here is bumpy. That's why you might see the video is shaky. That's University Avenue here. As you can see, I'm going east, so the sun is gonna be right in front of me. This is Snelling. That's a new Allianz Stadium, soccer stadium right there. That's why Minnesota United plays soccer. And some guy, I'm not sure what he's doing with the water over here. Gonna be going here after this light. The next light, I'm gonna make a left turn, and that goes to Interstate 94 East. As you can see, it's morning. There's quite a bit of traffic here on Snelling. That truck just went through the red light. Sometimes they don't care because they know you're gonna have to stop anyway. That's why I'm gonna make a left turn. It's Interstate 94. I mean, the turn takes me to Interstate 94 East. you can see on the other side, Interstate 94 going west, it's busier than going east. Going west is towards Minneapolis, and this is towards St. Paul. As you can see, the video doesn't shake as much on the freeway because Interstate is much smoother. It's well maintained than the local streets. That's Interstate 94 going west. It's a fast drive because everybody is going. It says speed limit is 55, but obviously nobody goes 55 right now because there's more traffic. Most people are going at 60. Exit is coming up Kellogg Boulevard. Should be the next ramp exit. Right there, Marion Street, Kellogg Boulevard, and State Capitol. All those places. Oops, there was a big bump over there. Now because I took the exit, the video will be bumpy or shaky again. Because the street here is not smooth. That's St. Paul Community Technical College, right there. Right where the sun is, right there is a sign. Says start here, sessions and tours. Tuesday 6 p.m, Wednesday 10 a.m. There's a backside of the college, so there isn't much to see. And over where the sun is rising, that's the downtown St. Paul. The State Capitol building is over there. I'm not sure you can see it. I'll zoom right there. This building in front of me used to be Sears store, department store. They closed last year. I used to like it because they have good quality clothing. Right there. That's a Department of Transportation building, and the State Capitol is in the background. You're gonna have a nice view of the State Capitol when I make a turn down here somewhere at the light. I'm gonna make a left turn. The cathedral is over there. That's a historical museum over there. Right in front of me is downtown St. Paul. That's a nice view of the state capitol right there. They did remodeling outside a couple of years ago. It took them like 3 or 4 years, but now it looks spectacular. All right, I'm gonna cut now. Peace out, people.